Alright guys, we got a brand new tool, and this is really exciting tool. Back in 2011 I wanted to create this tool and we could not do it at the time, and I've actually got the same coder from then that has built it this time in 2018. What we did back in 2011 was instead, I had to go away and come up with another idea. We built another tool called Local Traffic Commando at that time, and that went on to generate thousands and thousands of subscribers for me, and really catapulted me at that stage of my development as a product creator. And that really funded and was used as a springboard to go and generate a whole bunch more products, etc. Which is why I'm sort of doing pretty well today with all the tools that we have got. This tool that I wanted to create back in 2011, the reason I wanted to create it was because I kept seeing this website that was ranking on page 1 of Google for keywords that I was targeting, and it was for a lawyer's niche in London. Now, I did manage to go onto page 1 for really high traffic keywords like divorce lawyers in London and London divorce lawyers and all those kind of variations, but it took me time and it took me effort, and I had to do some smart thinking to get myself onto page 1 because the competition wasn't that easy. And I kept seeing this guy with this really specific kind of content, and he was ranking in what seemed to be a sort of effortless fashion for all of these major keywords. Now, I'm guessing that guy had some kind of a script, and that he was doing this in multiple niches in multiple cities, and he was actually just enjoying the traffic and generating money from AdSense and doing very well with it. And good luck to him. And I wasn't annoyed at all. I was really intrigued, and that's why I wanted to build it. And I was really disappointed when we couldn't, so I had to go away and create another tool, map out another tool, which turned out to be Local Traffic Commando, which had the same kind of purpose but a different way to do it. And what we've done today in 2018 is actually something much better, even better than what I had thought we could do back in 2011. And let me show you, let me just give you an example in here. If we come into this page here, what you will see is that I have a keyword here, cabins, okay, and I have a location, Beavers Bend Resort Park, okay. And Cabins Beavers Bend Resort Park is very quick and easy to do, because all I had to do was come in here, give my project a name, put in my keyword for the what kind of business, okay, where I put in the location. I can choose to no follow some links. You can see here when we come over here that they've got links to the website, okay. So I can choose to no follow those links, and I can choose as well to add a link to the parent page, because what it's actually doing is it's creating a full page sort of directory with all these different businesses from that location, and then it's creating like a sub page, okay. This is a parent page, this full page directory, and if you click through on any of these, it's going to create these pages here, and these pages are for the individual businesses. So we can choose in here whether we want to put a link to the parent page. So if you think that you should have a do follow link and it's a bad thing to have a link to the parent page, that's entirely up to you. You don't have to use specific settings that I have done for you. You have those options to be able to choose yourself, okay. Now, when we come into these pages in here, what you will see is that it pulls in the featured image from the Google Places API, okay. And you can see in here we've got the business name and address, and we've got the link, and we got some details about them, and we've got the map and the link to the website. And then we've got this down here, which is really cool. We have got real reviews from the Google Places API. This is very cool stuff. This is much better than what I had imagined, and I'm so pleased that we have now got this. Let's have a look at another one. Again, pulled in their featured image, pulled in their image, and it's actually created a featured image with that one click. If I go in here into this section here, and I put in the what, and I put in what kind of business, and I put in the location, I can click here and get the preview results, and you can see it's going to show all of these businesses. But what it's doing in the background, when I click to add the list, and you can see here it says takes a while, Well, it actually takes about a minute or 2 minutes, and it creates this business page, and it creates all of these sort of child pages underneath the parent page, and it includes adding a featured image. Okay, so in the back end of this post, this is the featured image. It adds the alt tag from the title into the image. Okay, it's got H1 and H2 tags created. Okay, it's got all-in-one SEO settings optimized for every single page. It's got all these posts. Once a campaign has been done, it will ping your sitemap to Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Okay, this is all happening with one click, just one click of the button. Once I click that button there to go and create those pages, I will have you know, as many of those businesses on that parent page creating individual pages, and all optimized with that one click of a button. Okay, so we got the all-in-one SEO, we got the image alt tag, we've got tags automated as well. These maps are automated, featured image automated, and all of this reviews and stuff all automated with one single click. How cool is that? This is really, 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 really cool. Now, I just got delivery of this this morning, early this morning. It was like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. I was still awake and I was still working away on the rent course, and I got delivery of this, so I tested it very, very quickly, and I thought, this is cool, this is so cool, it's much, much better than what I expected. But I knew that I need to you know, come in and test it a little bit more and tweak it a little bit more, and we've done some tweaking today, and we've still got a little bit of tweaking that we're going to be doing with it as well, but nothing major that needs to be done now, because we've got just about everything that I could have wanted to be put in here, so that you can go and build out sites really, really, really fast. Okay, so what I've done is I've done an introductory price. Now, when you look at the pricing, I want you to know that after that countdown is finished, the price for this is going to go up to $497. This is a serious SEO tool. Okay, I know that these pages are going to rank. It might take time. Okay, if you want to do it without any backlinks, it's going to take time. I'm going to let these pages get indexed, and I'm going to watch them, because the less SEO that we need to do off page, the more time we can spend creating these sites. And if we know that in 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks, we can get onto page 1 for these keywords, then it's a matter of building an empire of these sites. So what I want to do, you can see there's 3 columns there in the pricing table. The middle column is called the Guru Bundle. Okay, the Guru Bundle has 50 sites. Okay, there's a Pro Bundle that has 25 sites, and there is a basic column that says for 10 sites. Okay, you'll see 3 different prices. Okay, now with this Guru Bundle, anybody who takes that Guru Bundle, what I want to do is I want to build a network and do some group projects with specific people within the network who have come from buying the Guru Bundle, so that we can go and take a niche. We can start with a specific state, for example, choose a niche and go and dominate it, completely dominate it geographically with these kind of websites. Small little websites that are very, very quick and easy to put up. I've got a 48cent .review site here, and I'm already ranking. Before I put this plugin in this morning, I was already starting to get rankings. Not major rankings, but it was starting to happen. So I know when I start doing backlinking to this website, it's going to have some real power. Right now, I haven't done any backlinking whatsoever to this website or to these posts, and I'm not going to. I'm waiting to see what happens from the content and the type of content that's being generated. If we need to do backlinking, great, we'll go and figure out how to do that. But for me, I think that these are going to rank very, very well without any backlinks. I think it's just a matter of time, once they get indexed, that they will get onto page 1. Now, you might want to wait and see, and that's fine. But let me tell you, when that countdown finishes, the price is going up to $497. There will only be one way to get it, and it will cost you minimum $497, and I will be selling it on webinars. Okay, so you can jump in now and you can get it like half price for that Guru Bundle. The 10 site license is $99. The 25 site license is $149. The Guru package is $249. We will do the group networks with people who buy the Guru bundle. Okay. Now we're also going to bundle in my WordPress template, and this is what I'm using here. You can see it's a nice clean theme. We've got a whole bunch of plugins in the back end, optimized and sort of settings done and stuff like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to migrate that into your domain for the first domain, and then from there you can put it into as many sites as you want. Now this template is very, very quick and easy to do. I've done some videos on how to use it with the Rank and Rent course, and I'm using it all the time now. I've been using this for multiple local courses that haven't even been on any videos yet, and it's just so quick and easy to do. Now combine that with this tool that we have here, with the Local Biz Alpha tool, that we can go and generate pages in bulk, completely unique content, absolutely completely unique content, optimized in one click of a button. Okay, and we can go and do this for loads and loads and loads of different locations. Now I've done this one here, that example there was Broken Bow Lake Resort or something like that. Then we got Beavers Bend Park, then we got Hutchertown, then we got all these different small areas around this main area where I can go and create hundreds of pages in 4 clicks if I wanted to, okay, for this kind of thing. And what it will show inside your navigation, inside your website, is that parent page, and the child pages, they will not be showing on the navigation, but they will be there, and they will be do index and do follow. Okay, as far as the internal linking, do follow. You can choose if you want the no follow for any external links, if that's what you want to do. It's entirely up to you. This is super powerful, guys. This is really, really, really powerful. And this is your chance to get in quite cheaply. Now, I've seen people sell tools that are hyped up, that are with fake earnings and fake rankings and stuff like that, and people are selling it for crazy prices because they're really good at selling on a webinar, and they're really good at telling lies. I'm not telling any lies here. I'm telling you what I saw before in 2011. I know what was working then will work now. Okay, and we've just got to grab this opportunity while we can right now, because if you wait for that countdown to finish, it's not coming back down in price. I'm not going back in my word in this. This is probably one of the most powerful SEO tools I've ever created, because the simplicity of it and the relevance, the local relevance that we can build in those individual little pages coming under those parent pages just builds that relevance, and it just builds that local kind of area information, and makes it so powerful that it's like a magnet to Google. I know that these sites are going to rank big time. Now, how do we monetize? Well, you could use it for Rank and Rent, which is actually what I got this created for. But actually, with Rank and Rent, I've actually done that before. I was getting a little bit of pressure from some people via the support system saying, when are you going to do the Rank and Rent course? Well, Rank and Rent is great. It's a good business to run on the side, if you like. Being able to do websites like this and create these kind of pages in bulk gives you different options as well. You do not have to do selling to a business. You can just put in some ad revenue. You can put in here some native ads. You can put in here some AdSense. You can put in media.net. You can put in banner ads or whatever, and you can monetize. Okay. Now build these sites out with 4 clicks or 5 clicks for hundreds of pages. If these sites start ranking and getting traffic, and you can show monetization even from something like AdSense, you can put that on Flipper and earn thousands of dollars depending on the amount of traffic that you're getting. Okay, this is super powerful. This is a good chance to get in now while the price is about 50% cheaper than what it's going to be in less than a week. Okay, so entirely up to you. No hype, no bullshit, everything completely open and honest. I know that this works. I have seen this in action before, and I just know this works really, really, really well. Anyway, you have a 30-day guarantee. If you don't like it, you can ask for your money back, not a problem. and we will refund you, okay? But you've got about 4 days to grab this before the price goes up to $497. Okay, so grab it now while you can. Get the Guru bundle if you want to do the group network stuff, okay? If you do that, then you can get into the group network stuff. You can get the WordPress template with the Guru and the Pro packages, okay? And only with the Guru package can you get into the group network stuff, and we will do a specific webinar for that. But give me a week or two, because let me see the results as they're happening, and see if we need to do any external SEO. Maybe we need to get some social signals, or maybe we need to do some backlinking for referring domains or something like that. I don't know yet. I have to wait and see, but I know that this is going to work. Now's your time. Now's your chance to grab it. And if you want to wait to see if it works and then jump in later, it's going to cost you minimum $497. Up to you. No hype, no bullshit. This is real stuff, guys. Thanks.